Welcome to the channel. Want to record WhatsApp calls on your Tecno Spark 504G 5G? In this easy step-by-step guide, we'll show you the best methods to record WhatsApp voice and video calls on your Tecno Spark 50